Roll up small sheets of newspaper into thin tubes, then seal them well. Make lots of these tubes and shorten them. Draw a deer and use the paper tubes to shape the body. Paint it black and decorate its antlers with flowers. Take a small cardboard circle and arrange used wooden popsicle sticks around it, forming a multi-pointed star. Keep adding layers outward to create decorative lines. Place a cardboard coin in the center and paint it black. You now have a beautiful piece to display on the wall, right? Use small sticks to form a hexagon, then glue the corners together. Set it upright. Place another layer in the center and paint it black. Wrap cardboard around it and draw a golden line down the middle. Fix it firmly to the hexagon base and place a small flower vase on the cardboard section, then set it up on the wall for decoration. Gather plenty of used wooden sticks and paint all of them black. Let them dry completely. Fold a sheet of paper carefully and evenly, and use scissors to gently and precisely create a hexagonal guide shape. Open it up and carefully arrange the black sticks around it to form a perfect hexagon. Repeat this process to create 3 similar shapes. Make 2 sets like this, align them side by side, and secure them together underneath using more black painted sticks. Wait patiently for the glue to dry. Continue reinforcing the structure with additional sticks by gluing them tightly in place. Now you've got a sturdy and well-balanced base frame. Make sure the corners are steady and add more used sticks for extra strength and support. Once it's solid and secure, place it gently on the wall. You can also decorate it with small potted plants, floral accents, or even soft lights to brighten your space and add a cozy, artistic, and deeply personal touch. Try it. It's simple and fun, creative, relaxing, and surprisingly satisfying. Grab more small sticks and shape them into a hexagon. Glue the corners securely, then gently place additional sticks at each corner and carefully angle them to form balanced triangles. Repeat this at each point to complete the triangular structure. Work patiently and keep all edges aligned. Flip it over and use longer sticks to stabilize the shape further, forming a star-like pyramid. Place a cardboard base underneath and create a hexagon on it. Paint all the sticks black with even, smooth, and consistent strokes. Now set it on a table and decorate the inside with your favorite items, perhaps a candle. Add a few flowers or crystals. Looks magical, doesn't it? It glows with charm. Use shorter sticks and place them along a heart shape you've drawn on paper. Glue the corners together tightly to ensure a firm and lasting structure overall. Wait for it to dry, then peel it off to reveal a heart made of wooden sticks. Paint the whole piece black with slow, even strokes, carefully covering every angle. You can place it on a table or on the wall and decorate it with lights, photos, or artificial flowers, even tiny ornaments or seasonal touches. Whatever you like. Use used wooden sticks and create a cardboard circle. Attach the sticks around it to resemble flower petals. Continue adding more around the edges to complete a full circle. Arrange the sticks neatly and securely for stability. String them together to form a circular wheel, then carefully follow the steps to make a display stand, shaping the ends neatly into squares. Add photos to it. Place your favorite memories in carefully selected frames. You now have a spinning photo display. Just slide your pictures in and enjoy the view. Paint used sticks black, then arrange them around a hexagon-shaped sheet, leaving one side open. Add 2 sharp points to that open edge. Make 3 of these. Glue the corners carefully and attach them together as shown. Ensure the edges are aligned evenly for a clean, symmetrical look. Create 2 identical sets, place them parallel, and use black painted sticks to secure and stabilize them. Ensure they're aligned perfectly before securing them. Take your time to ensure everything is even and balanced. Add more sticks across to form little shelves. Be precise and steady. When everything is in place, reinforce it with glue. Give it time to set properly. Once solid, place it on the wall and decorate with your favorite items, plants, flowers, or even a small photo. Feel free to add candles or lights for extra ambiance. Doesn't it bring a fresh, lively touch to your space? Do it when you have time to make your room truly beautiful and unique. Using more wooden sticks, follow the instructions to build a structured shape. Continue adding sticks at different angles to form a hexagon. Add a platform on top, then place a small plant jar and display it on your wall. Beautiful, isn't it? Take used sticks and form diamond shapes, gluing the corners securely. Make several of them and line them up neatly, ensuring they are aligned perfectly. Use pins and more sticks to join and stabilize them. Carefully place short sticks between the diamond shapes to complete the design. Flip it over, paint it black, and place it on the wall for a stunning and unique piece. Note to carefully and securely attach it. It's sure to make an impression, isn't it? Make use of such items to beautify your home and protect the environment.